What's going on, Monopoly family? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I want to talk to you about the best investment that you can make today in 2019 that can actually guarantee you profits, returns, success, change, progress, happiness, and confidence. Now, there isn't many investments that exist out there that can guarantee all of that. Not many, right? So this one guarantees all of that, and every single person watching needs to invest in this. I don't care how old you are, you can be 15, 20, 19, or 60, you need to invest in this, guys. And majority of the world hasn't invested in this, even though everybody wants to invest or people are investing. But when you tell them invest in this, they say no, just tell me which stock to put my money in. Tell me which penny stock. I have 1,000 saved up. Look, if you have 1,000 saved up and you want to invest it, I always said to you, put it into your savings and focus on this investment, because this investment for the most part is free and you have to invest in this first. So what is this investment? Well, you already know I was going here, guys. Knowledge, right? Education. Knowledge. Now, imagine this. Imagine winning the lottery, right? You won the lottery today, you made $1 million, just to go back broke 2 years later. Just like the 70% of lottery winners out there. Why? 90% of this world, right? 90%, everybody goes to school, everybody goes to college. Matter of fact, 100%, let's say everybody went to school today. Everybody knows geography, everybody knows where Canada is on the map, Australia, America, Europe, everybody knows that, you know? But what does the 10% out there that control wealth and create wealth, what do they know that the 90% don't know today? Right? I mean, those people have educated themselves on things that these people haven't. And when I say these people, guys, I mean it with respect. I mean, we settle for the 9 to 5, we settle for the paycheck to paycheck, and we say that's it, we're finished. This is the only education we need after college, right? Yet we don't even know what to do with that money when we get it if we win the lottery. We don't know what real estate is, we don't know what the stock market is, we don't know what a portfolio is. We have no philosophy, we have no say, there's no confidence in us whatsoever to actually put out an opinion that is actually worth listening to or value. Why? Because we haven't invested in our education. And that's what education does for you guys. Imagine taking the pill NZT in that movie Limitless, right? Just imagine that. Imagine being enhanced. Your brain is enhanced, you know everything. Everything isn't foreign to you, you know? And you can sit at a kitchen table, have some, you know, disrespectful, arrogant, ignorant individual who's attacking you, you know, trying to make you look like a fool in front of it. And there is people that exist out there, you know, that I know it all, that try to challenge you with knowledge. And imagine you put them in their place and go on the offensive and embarrass them just like they tried to embarrass you, and have the rest of the crowd in shock, right? Imagine having a conversation with somebody who's older than you by a few years and having that person actually interested in what you're saying, because what you're saying is actually of value and they can relate to. I mean, I talked about a story where I was on an airplane and this 60-year-old man, right, listening to me, right? Me, under 30, 25, listen to 25-year-old, and that's beautiful, right? Somebody who's older than you listening to you talk. And because he's interested in how you make money, he was interested in the stock market, he was interested in knowing what I know. And that's confidence, guys. That's what education does for you. It's not just about making money. It's not just about, you know, knowing where the money is in the business. I mean, yes, that's why you educate yourself in the first place. But you also get the benefits of confidence, ego boost, and yes, you might go above, you know, and become arrogant. You know, like people will watch this video and say, this person is too arrogant. I'm not arrogant. This is just overconfidence, being sure of myself. Some people say being sure of yourself is a bad thing. Who says that? The average individual. It's a bad thing being sure of yourself. No, I'm not living in fear no more, right? You want to do that, that's fine. Not living being yourself, being constantly scared of what to say and having somebody's opinion, you know, hurt you, right? As if that opinion actually matters. I mean, today in this YouTube video, you'll realize there's a dislike button. Somebody's going to press the dislike, but they'll never tell me why. They'll never put out an opinion of valid, you know, reason. Just accusations and whatnot. They'll never give out a valid opinion because they have nothing to bring to the table. They have nothing to contribute. And that's what education does for you. If you have something to say it. But make sure it's valid, because I will embarrass you in the comment section. I'm not trying to scare you guys or anything. You know, appreciate you guys. But again, that's what education does for you. It gives you that confidence boost. And look, The money that you want to make, majority of it does not require any money in the first place. But you wouldn't know that because you haven't invested in your education in the first place. And majority of this education is free anyway. It's on YouTube, it's on Instagram, it's, you know, books, Google, you know, cheap courses. The things you want today are out there. And that will build yourself. You have to have philosophies, opinions, guys. All these things that, you know, you need to have. You need to have the things that the 10% have. And it's not just, oh, they have portfolios of real estate. You'll realize all of these people have philosophies, things on life, on social media. You know, they have their own views and opinions. They've been educated. Nobody today, I mean, majority of the people that you talk to, when you tell them, and I know majority of you have philosophies on life and you want to share it, but there's nobody who's as smart as you out there. And you want to share what you know, but these people will shut you up and say, you talk so much shit. Just shut up. See, they say that to you because they have nothing to offer. They have nothing. They know you're right. They know they can't compete with you, but they'll shut you up with this. They did that to me, guys. Today, they asked me for how I did it. And what do you think my response is? Obviously, F off, right? Because I'm ruthless nowadays. I've been up through all of it today. And, you know, like I said, when you say you're too arrogant or you're too whatever, I say I earned it. That's my response. I earned it. When you earn it, you'll know exactly how it feels. I don't have to share with this. Just the fact that I'm talking and exposing myself and, you know, letting it all out here. I don't have to go through this. I don't have to share it. But again, I'm sharing it because I'm sure of myself. I've got a response for everything today. Knowledge. Knowledge, guys. Just like the movie Limitless, where he says, I wasn't wired when I took that pill. I wasn't high, but I was clear. That's what's going to be missing in your life. Clarity. You get clarity in your life, you stop being that unhappy person sitting on the couch. You'll start being the person who's suddenly finding excitement in his life. You know, I know majority of you wake up every morning, there is no excitement in your life. You know, and I know because I've been in that position. There's no excitement. I'm feeling like days are just passing by. The time is ticking. You know, I'm not really doing anything that is actually exciting me. Like somebody else's lifestyle is better than mine. And I'm here comparing myself with that person. I can just say to myself, because I'm educated and have philosophies on life, I can say, this person's time has came. This person's found clarity and vision before me. My time is coming. If he can do it, I can do it. That's the philosophy. That's the philosophy. This person did it, I can do it. His time came, my time didn't. He started before me. So therefore, he deserved it. Now I have to earn it and deserve it. See, you talk yourself out of it and you say, okay, I'm on the right path. Let's go. Motivated again. See, clarity is important, guys. You need to have clarity in business. You need to know the path you're going in. You need to have exactly the route that you should be taking and follow that route. You have these ups and downs, but again, after your philosophy is there, you know that, okay, this is going to be a bumpy road. It's not going to be just a gliding thing. You know, you talk yourself out of all these doubts in life that you face in business, and the business idea that you want to, you know, make money in or going to be successful in is going to be out there in the books, in the self-education, in the YouTube videos, in the knowledge that exists out there that you haven't had a chance to read. So you need to read it and start being part of the 10%. Now that's the only difference, is that you don't have the money, but you do have the knowledge that 10% has. That's it. Nothing else is hidden from you in the age of the internet. Nothing. Nothing is hidden from you guys anymore. What these people have, you guys should get today. The only difference is you don't have the money these people have, but you will get the knowledge, and it's free majority of the times. So once you get the knowledge, you will get the money. Guaranteed. Now I know it's easier said than done. Some people say, Zed, just give me the business idea. Just tell me which stock to put my money in. Tell me the penny stock. I want to double my money. What are you going to do with 100? That's not a skill. You can't use that again. The skill, I mean, you just put your money in the stock. You can't use that skill again. You can't make money again in another stock, because that's a one-time thing, and that was luck. Can you do it again? No, because you don't have the skill. So, I'm hyped up, but again, that's just all I want to say, guys. You know, I just wanted to let it out there for you guys. That's what knowledge does for you. It's very important. It's very important to be, you know, above people. Elevate yourself. It's very important to gain confidence, because when you're sure of yourself, you can tackle business without any, even when people try to talk you out of it, you're so sure of yourself, you already know it. But obviously you have to be realistic. And all of these things come with knowledge. All of these things will come with knowledge, guys. Alright, gotta go, guys. That's the only thing you should be focused on. Alright? I gotta share with you a story before I leave though. You know, back then I used to come home from parties earlier. I was the one who left early. I generally just, nothing was fazing me. All I wanted to do was go to YouTube videos and watch videos like this and just get motivated and study and have somebody confirm what I'm doing today. And you know, that's how I built my knowledge. You know, books, YouTube, people, mentors, people I actually met in person. And I was seeking those people. I was actually seeking them. I wanted to meet them. You know, I was going to spend money to actually see them on the street and take them out for coffees and whatnot. But anyways, clarity is intoxicating, guys. Knowledge is intoxicating. It might make you look arrogant. But again, don't talk too much unless you have a YouTube channel. Peace and love, guys. Just like always, I appreciate you for watching. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And smash that like button if you made it this far. Peace.